One day, a teacher came to her classroom holding a glass of water. The students thought she would ask the usual question, is the glass half full or half empty? But instead she smiled and asked, how heavy do you think this glass is? The students gave different answers. Some said 100 grams, some said 200 grams, and some said even more. The teacher nodded and said, you are all right, but it doesn't really matter. What matters is how long I hold it. She held the glass up and continued, if I hold it for a few seconds, it's not heavy. If I hold it for 1 hour, my arm will start to hurt. If I hold it for a whole day, my arm will feel numb and weak. The weight of the glass doesn't change, but the longer I hold it, the heavier it feels. The students listened carefully. Then the teacher smiled again and said, the same thing happens with stress and worries in life. If you think about your problems for a short time, nothing happens. But if you think about them all day, they start to hurt. If you carry them for too long, you feel weak and tired. She put the glass down on the table and said, to feel better, you must put your glass down too. Rest, take a break, and don't hold your worries all the time. The class was silent for a moment. Then one student whispered, I understand. They all smiled, learning a small but powerful lesson that day. Sometimes, to feel strong again, you just need to let go.